Okay. The boss dashed to see you in his office. He is waiting for you.
Want.
Hmm.
Want.
Wants to see you in the office, in his office. We don't know how much level of want he has. We cannot measure it. We cannot count it. So it is infinitive. Okay. I'm really tired. I dash to go home now. I hmm,
Miss,
I would like to.
like
Good
to
job. Would
go home now.
like. Very good. I would like to go to home now.
No.
So kids, you are understanding the concept. It's clearing. Okay. The teacher dashed the children to close their books and listen carefully.
Asked.
Very,
Asked.
very good. Ruba, can you try, my dear? The film starts at 6, so I dash everyone to be at cinema at 5:30. Even I cannot get it. I, I, okay, I got it. Anybody? Ruba, can you try?
Told.
Told. Okay,
Told.
great job. Okay, we dash our guests to arrive at about 10 o'clock if the traffic is good. We,
Picked. Picked.
no,
Pick.
no, there is no K, there is no K, there is double E. We expect, we
Oh,
expect our guests to arrive at about 10, okay? Number 11, my mother always dash me not to talk to strange men. Always,
advice.
no, no,
Yeah.
something which is like warning, warning, warned,
Warned
warned me, okay? Number
me.
12, we dash our landlady not to increase the rent this year. ADDEETRSU.
Dizzy.
I, even I cannot get this word. This is very difficult. It seems sounds difficult. We requested. No, there is no T. We pursued. No, we persuaded. Yes, we persuaded. I think persuaded. Yes, correct. Persuaded means like a request. Okay. Let us check. Are we all correct? Um, what is the answer? Yes, all are correct.
Yes, yes.
Good job. Clapping for your teacher also. It's not showing the score. I don't know why it's not showing the score, but it's all correct. Okay. So this was to understand about infinitive. Now there are so many more things about infinitive, infinitive of purpose and adjectives with two infinitive. This is like it will go more and more. But now the important thing was that we have understood the concept of infinitives. Okay. Can anybody recall with me? Any of you can recall with me?
Recall, miss?
Miss, मुझे बताएं. Tell me कि हमने क्या पढ़ा. हमने क्या पढ़ा, क्या समझा. What did we learn and what did we understand? इसको recalling कहते हैं, यानी दोबारा दोहराना. इसको हम दोहराई भी कहते हैं. Because there is Ruba, I don't want to talk in Urdu, so she don't get an issue in understanding what I was saying. Okay, who is going to recall with to me that what did we learn and what is infinitive? Anybody? Any of you? No? No one? One, yeah.
Miss,
Ajwa, okay. Yes, beta, Ajwa. have explained you about a verb which is infinitive. Means it is
So today, Miss, we have learned about
hmm,
infinitive
verb. It's a verb.
infinitive verbs.
Yeah. Okay. What does they mean? What does this indicates and show us?
Miss, I didn't join from the front, though, so
Okay.
I don't
No
know.
problem. I will recall in 1 or 2 minutes. I will recall for all the students who joined me late. Infinitive verbs are used for those actions which are uncountable, unthinkable, unimaginable. We cannot find out how amount of actions we have done. We cannot calculate how many time we have spent on them. We cannot check the intensity of the action. Like, for example, we eat something, we drink something, we have a calculation that there is a glass, which means it's this much gram, an apple is this much gram. If we have walked, we know how much from this area to this area, this kilometer to this much kilometer we have walked, and we know how much time of sleeping hours we have spent. So their actions in which verbs in which we are able to measure them, count them, to check their weight, they are not infinitives. Okay, infinitives are those in which actions we don't know how much action we have done. To choose something, choosing, thinking, speaking, shouting, talking, these all are actions. Same like eating, walking, running. But the intensity, how much did we walk, talk, how much did we cry, how much did we speak, how much did we choose, how much did we hate somebody, how much thing did we decide, we never know. We cannot tell how much we are able to do this action. So such kind of actions we are writing with them too. To say somebody, to tell somebody we don't know how much we have decided, how much we are thinking about you, how much we are talking about you, we never know. We can only calculate hours, we can only calculate the weight, we can only calculate the numbers. We cannot calculate the actions which are from our mind, which are speaking, which are thinking, which are talking. We cannot calculate. So these all actions, verb actions, are called infinitive. And then we have done one exercise. There is one more exercise, but I don't want to do it with you. I will do the exercise which is in your class. Okay. Can you see now this one worksheet? Kids, can you see the worksheet about infinitives?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, this is the worksheet. Now let us go direct on this. Okay. So direction we are going to move. This is one of the example which already your teacher has done with you. The thing which we can easily figure out is that there is with infinitive to. We are using to with action move. Now we don't know how much intensity or how much power we are using to move. That's why we are just moving. We did not specify. Yes, beta?
लेकिन मिस ये वो नहीं है
बेटा ये यही वर्कशीट है जो आपकी मम्मा ने पूछी थी बेटा. This is the worksheet. See, I have done Rohan at
लेकिन यहाँ मिस 2C लिखा है वहाँ टू मूव है
to see. Where is to see in your worksheet?
मिस ये वर्कशीट हो चुकी है
Beta, this is the worksheet which your mama asked me to do with you. So I am doing that worksheet. Are you sure?
मिस ये वर्कशीट हो चुकी है
Oh, it took me long hours to do this one, my beta. Let me check. Okay. Yes, no, this is another worksheet. Again, I am wrong. But let me do this with you. Okay, the other one, I think it is not still, it did not come with the all section. Okay, जब ये आ जाएगी तो मैं आपको कराऊंगी. It did not come with you. So we will just finish it. Okay. Those boys. Okay, the teacher instructed us not to interrupt. Okay. Those boys failed to.
Okay.
Word to
Follow.
follow. I am not able to. Okay. To follow. Okay. Those kittens
Yes.
like to
To
snuggle.
snuggle.
Okay. My dog tends
To sleep.
to sleep. Jenny never forgets
To practice.
to practice. It is our whole family's job to keep the
Keep
house clean.
clean.
I can't seem to
To find.
find my other sock. My grandmother used to quilt with the group. Quilt means वो जो बनाते हैं ना कंबल बनाना. Like you make
Yes.
a blanket and you quilt it like with the hand. Small pieces.
Yes.
Okay. My mother tends to text me. Tends
To
to
text.
tends to
To
text.
text.
Okay.
Hmm.
To text
text.
or tends to text. Okay. You can put with the action also. So you got me over here, all of you.
Yes, miss.
Already, I
Yes,
think
yes.
many of you
Yeah.
have done because I was again on the wrong worksheet. But no problem, beta. Inshallah, that
Miss,
was
what does the 3 number mean?
which one? The boys failed to follow the rule. Failed to. नाकाम हो गए.
Okay.
Failed to.
This one? No, right.
Yes. Okay, you have to follow. Actually, you have to highlight this one. Okay. I was explaining you with the verb failed. मैं verb के साथ बता रही थी. आपने verb को underline नहीं करना because teacher did not underline the verb. I was just explaining कि to से दूसरा भी ये देखिए ये failed भी. This is also verb and follow is also verb. Okay. Like
Okay,
is
miss.
also
Okay.
verb. Snuggle is also verb. So before to is also a verb action and after to is also a verb action. Now this one all of you have done. You don't need it.
No, miss.
Okay. So the other worksheet which still
No, miss, we have done.
okay. So no problem. The worksheet was not that much important, but the concept was very important. I hope you all have understood the concept of verb infinitive. There is still one worksheet which I am not able to get it. Maybe inshallah I will search it as soon as possible. Ajwa, what are you doing? Ajwa? Okay. So kids, today it was half successful and half unsuccessful class because I was still not able to search the worksheet which is actually pending. I will now after this class do it and send it to you as soon as possible if it is in my Google Classroom. Okay, in Rohan's Google Classroom. So tomorrow I will be coming with you inshallah ICT. Okay, ICT we have this K-Turtle very important lesson. I will sit with you. I will try my best to explain you about this language and the commands and we will solve this worksheet as well. And if there is anything for today pending, just send us in Google Classroom. We will solve with you. Okay? We will send you the solve worksheet. And if there is any important
Yes.
worksheet for math, do mention. Inshallah, Ms. Shumaila will update you that when she's taking the class, either she's taking or she's sending
Yeah.
the worksheet. Okay, kids?
Yes.
So I'll leave now. If there is any question, ask me now. If there is any question.
No, miss, we have no doubt.
No doubt. So you want to do another exercise with me because we have 5
I'm
minutes.
okay, miss. Okay.
Okay, this is infinitive 2. It was a lovely day, so we dashed swimming. Any word you can use. Action. Decided to. No, decided to swimming. Will it be correct? Decided to swimming. There are 3 or 4 words mixing. Decided to go for. I think this will be little correct one, huh? wear dash some theaters tickets if they are not too expensive. We are going to buy. Got it? We are going to buy some theater tickets if they are not too expensive. Number 3, don't dash some bread on the way. Don't don't forget to bring or buy, your choice. To bring some bread
To
on
bring.
the way. Okay.
To bring.
To
To
bring.
bring.
Max was very busy, but he dashed his friend. But he decided to meet his friend. Okay.
Friend. Yes.
Karen dashed her daughter a souvenir from Rome.
Yes.
Karen, ये हमने किया था ना ऊपर. Karen
Yes.
promised.
Yes.
Promise. Okay, we are changing them. Don't worry. It's also even correct. Where are we? Okay. Karen, where is the exercise? Where is the exercise? It's gone. Exercise is gone somewhere. Changed. No, it's here. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Karen promised her daughter, the boss dash you in his office. He's waiting for you now. The boss wants to see you. Okay. I think it's enough. I don't want to take your more time. So I hope you all understood and you got the concept. And for next exercise, anytime you will be ready to know what infinitives are and how they are used in our daily activities. So tomorrow, inshallah, kids, I will be coming with you with ICT. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
And the worksheet which is still pending, I will do for you and I will send you. Okay, my dear?
Okay, Miss. Bye.
See you. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Bye.
Take care. Goodbye.
Inshallah.